Hi guys, today we're in Vaughan, Ontario, checking out the LEGO Discovery Centre. Let's go explore.
LEGOLAND Discovery Centre Toronto is an interactive LEGO-themed entertainment space designed for families with children aged 3 to 10. The centre is filled with rides, shows, LEGO characters, and of course a whole lot of hands-on build stations. The experience starts in the LEGO factory, where interactive displays show how pellets are made and manufactured into bricks. From heating and molding to mixing and delivery, children get hands-on experience tracking every step of the production process. From there, visitors move directly to Kingdom Quest, one of the 2 rides included with admission. This track-based dark ride sends guests on a quest to rescue the princess, using laser blasters to fend off skeletons and trolls while competing for a high score. The ride exits directly into Miniland, a 1.5 million brick replica of the Greater Toronto Area. This detailed diorama features models of the CN Tower, Rogers Centre, Pearson Airport, and the Canadian National Exhibition. There's also a replica of Niagara Falls, complete with Whirlpool Aerocar. Kids will love exploring all the miniature details and using the built-in buttons to trigger hidden animations. This incredible 500,000 brick recreation brings the bustling streets and famous landmarks to life, offering a unique giant-sized perspective of the city. Next up is the 4D Cinema, which plays a collection of LEGO animated short films. In addition to the 3D glasses, the theater also has physical effects, blasting the audience with wind and mist and using strobe lights timed to the action on screen. Back in the main pavilion, the Merlin's Apprentice ride features 2 passenger carts attached to a rotating center axis. Riders have to continuously pedal to lift their carts in the air, with faster pedaling resulting in a higher flight over the showroom floor. The rest of the facility is made up of a collection of build and play areas. The Ninjago City Adventure offers a multi-level obstacle course alongside themed building stations and interactive agility games. Younger children can explore the Duplo Village, an enclosed soft play area filled with oversized bricks and slides tailored for toddlers. For creative building, the Heart Lake City section gives kids the opportunity to build alongside their favorite LEGO friends. Other specialized construction zones include the Build and Test Station, where kids can design and race vehicles down steep ramps. And the Earthquake Tables, where they can test the structural strength of their brick towers against simulated tremors. Kids looking for a more structured engineering experience can attend a creative workshop. Led by a master model builder, these small group sessions guide participants through a custom build while sharing insider tips and advanced building techniques. Parents looking for a quick coffee or snack for the kids can visit the Central Cafe before heading out. And for an additional fee, visitors can also experience the Great LEGO Race VR Coaster, an add-on attraction that combines physical motion with a virtual reality headset to take riders through a fully animated 360-degree race against LEGO minifigures. The LEGOLAND Discovery Centre is bound to be a hit with your littlest LEGO fans, who will love exploring the life-size LEGO creations and getting hands-on with all the interactive experiences. You should give yourself 2 to 3 hours to enjoy all that the attraction has to offer, and allow enough time for multiple rides and different 3D shows. The only real limit here is how many bricks you can stack before it's time to head home. I'll leave a link in the description for the latest information on hours and admission.
Hope you enjoyed checking out the LEGO Discovery Centre with me. Until next time, remember to keep exploring.